So how do you create a bit.ly? First, have the document or whatever it is open that you want to share. It could be a website, it could be a document. Just make sure if it's a document, like for example our bulletin at LHS, we made sure it's set to share and it's set to anyone on the internet with the link can view. So anyone on the internet with the link can view. Then you're going to go to bit.ly, so bit.ly, and you'll get to this website. Sign up for free. Always go with the free account. Get started. Sign up with Google to make it easy. You don't have to try to remember anything. It'll tell me I already have an account. So I stick with Google. The reason I use this free account is it does everything I need it to do. Here's the problem though. If for some reason this link changes, you'll have to get a new bit.ly. If you pay for it, if you hit the link changed, you could update it, but we're not going to worry about that. So here's how it works. Let's go with my webpage. I'm going to Control-C, copy the entire URL, go to bit.ly, Orange Create, over here, enter long URL. So I paste it there. Don't worry about this stuff. If you want to add things, you can, but you don't need to. But I'm going to click on the Orange Create. And I already made one, so I've already customized this to be whatever I want it to be. But you just customize it, and then hit the Save button. And then I like to copy that, go to bit.ly/whatever I just made, and press Enter, just to make sure it works. So I'm going to do another one for you. I'll do this bulletin here. So make sure you've got the whole thing selected. Control-C to copy, bit.ly management, Orange Create, paste the long URL, create, customize the back half to be whatever you want it to be. Like, make sure you're case sensitive because whatever you type it's going to be. I recommend keeping things as lowercase as much as possible. Again, it doesn't really matter what you do here. So I'm going to click Orange Save. I recommend no numbers. Try to keep it as many as words as possible. And if you're doing something like a bulletin that's going to stay the same for years, I wouldn't recommend putting like a 2021 or anything like that on it. So I'm going to Control-C to copy. I go to bit.ly / the name of it, press Enter to make sure it works. And it worked.